All right, my fellow investors, welcome to the channel. So remember, in this channel, we talk about how to make money and most importantly, how to go out there and invest it to create financial freedom for yourself and your families. All right, guys. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the M1 Finance current promotion that they're offering. So basically, it's get 50, guys. So if you guys use the link in the description that I'm going to place below, you guys can use my referral code to go ahead and get $50 once you open up an account. Or if you guys want to do it on your own, don't use my referral code. That's fine, no worries. I just want you guys to take advantage of this promotion that they're offering, because essentially it's free money, guys. Once you open up the account, you can go ahead and enjoy the benefits of just using their money, invest it so that you don't have to worry about using your own capital. But you guys have friends that are also interested in the stock market or want to get into investing, go ahead and refer them using your code. Once they open an account, they'll go ahead and give you that bonus as well and give them a bonus. So it's a win-win. So definitely take advantage of this. Just wanted to provide you guys this little update on the promotion they're giving. So you guys can see here, so far I've received 5 successful referrals, so I've earned $250 through their promotion. All right, like I said, if you guys want to use mine to get $50 instead of $30 by opening up an account, go ahead and use my link in the description. Hopefully this was helpful to help you guys create some easy money. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share information with as many investors as possible, help them and your families create financial freedom as well, guys. Thank you for the support you guys have been giving me on my channel. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next video.